welcome to the Vault. We have a new category template drop this week, so it's quite exciting. So this is the Vault, and our new category is productivity. So I thought it'd be really good just to show you around. Okay, so in this category so far, because we love to add templates to our category, we've got, I'll run through them and then I'll show you them. We've got a guide, we've got a combination of guides and templates so that you can get more information if you need it. So we've got our Eisenhower urgent versus important guide over here. If you click on these thumbnails, they'll take you into look, it's called a lesson, but it's not really a lesson. It's just the place where you can come over here to the right and you can download your the guide that's there, or the template, and there are options for that which I will show you in just a tick. So let's go back to productivity. So there's the Eisenhower matrix. Let me just move that around. Then there's the actual matrix itself, and I've given you two versions, a color one for all the reMarkable Paper Pro users. You've got color now, and there's also a blank one if you prefer that. So you can grab that. Now, when with all the templates that we provide, you get access to a few different versions. So let me take you in here. So for instance, the Eisenhower matrix, you get a PDF of both of them. So if I click it open, it's going to pull it into, let me just make it a bit smaller. And it's just not picking up my cursor, just a second. There we go. So you get the color version and you get the plain version. You get a PDF. Let's go here. Well, that's another one. Just hang on a minute. You also get the PNGs also uploaded, and for both sheets as well as the PDF. So you can download them as they are, or you can download the PDF, or you've got access to the Canva template, so you can tweak it, change it, do whatever you like to it. And that there is Canva training in here. So up the top here, using Canva, there's Canva training all the way through. Each one of these is Canva training with videos to show you what you can do. So yes, the Eisenhower matrix, the one big thing. So when you've got a lot of overwhelm, this is a great template, because I will show it to you. This is my back office here, just showing you that again. You have access to it as a PNG, so you can sideload it into your reMarkable in the template directory, or the PDF, which means you just download it with the desktop app or your phone app or your my.remarkable.com, and it will just be a PDF that you can write on. You can copy it as many times as you like. You can also, it fits on your iPad, it fits BOOX tablets as well. It would work on Kindle Scribe as well as Supernote. So if you've got any of those. So then that's the one big thing. Then your weekly goals planner here. You've got access to that, both in the PNG and the PDF. Then you've got the delegation guide and the tracker. So the delegation tracker is landscape. And it just fits better because of the sort of columns that it has. And the delegation guide is a 3-pager, so that's here. So you can see the delegation guide. It's going to keep putting it up in massive big size because that's what it does. And you've got delegation tracking and benefits and best practices. And then you've got the PDF and the PNG again. You can sideload the PNG as a template, or you can just upload it as a PDF file, completely up to you. So that's the delegation guide and the tracker quick guide. And then there's the time blocking quick guide and tracker. That's 6-page quick guide, and then the actual template. So let's go in and look at time blocking. So you've got the time blocking guide here. Let me just make it a bit smaller. And you've got quick guide using the time blocker, an example for you, best practices, and how some troubleshooting for you to also have a look at. So that's time blocking. So you've got both the quick guide there and the time block actual planner template. Then you've got the goal alignment matrix. So there's a quick guide for that, as well as the actual matrix itself. So let's just have a look at that. So there's the alignment. Just let me click on it. The goal alignment matrix guide. So I'll just make that a bit smaller. And you've got the quick guide, the steps that you use. You've got an example, and you've got some troubleshooting there as well. And then you've got the blank. You can sideload the PNG file, or you can upload the PDF file. So whichever you need. And then there's the the big 12-pager, the reflection and review. Now this is it's a process document. So the actual, what you need is the actual whole document, this guide. And these you don't edit. The guides are not editable. They're like in Canva for you to tweak them. They are there available for you to use. So, you know, how to, then you go through a series of questions on different sheets to give you the whole process of reviewing and reflecting. It's an amazing process that will actually help you get all of your tasks done. Like, it's huge for productivity. It's really cool, if I do say so myself. So you've got access to all of them. So that's the new category, and they're all of our new templates, and they're of course complimentary along with everything else that you get in that digital life. The vault is just one of the bonuses that you get in there. And yeah, you can ask questions, you can request categories and templates, and you know, you can get help with your setup and your workflow and all sorts of things. Digital organization. Awesome. So just thought I'd share this week's template drop with you. So I just wanted to jump over to the reMarkable and show you the templates in the productivity category, and what that looks like on your what they will look like on your reMarkable. So work, the vault, productivity. So this is them here, category. And here we have all the ones that I've just showed you. So these are the guides here. So let me just tap on the delegation guide for you. Just have to give it a second. You can look in the overview and you can see the pages and the information available to you there. Remember that you can hop out of anything by one finger down from the top. The alignment goal matrix. And you can go, I'm just going to go to the overview just so that you can roughly sort of see again here. It's a guide, a quick guide to help you with your goal setting matrix that we give you here. Then there's the, it's not in this order. This one's probably the last one you would do, the reflect and review. And this one's the big one. This is 12 pages. So there's so each page has the questions, apart from the introduction and then the summary at the end. There's a nice smooth process that you can work your way through, so that you can reflect and review on your productivity for the week, really. You can do it at the end of the month, week, fortnight, whatever you want. So there's a quick guide, a task completion, summary, and then the Eisenhower matrix reflection, time management assessment, challenges faced, prioritization strategies, delegation review, work-life balance reflection, successes and improvements, questions for reflecting, and then just some troubleshooting at the end. I find it useful to look at what is the worst case scenario, right? I think it's useful to look at that, and then it can help you sort of have a better plan and develop more skills to get into it. All right, so that's the reflect and review, the time blocking guide, quick guide here. It's a 6-page, 5 because of the title page. So you've got your quick guide, using the time blocking planner, an example sheet. So there's that page. that just shows you how to use it. Best practices, and again, a troubleshooting guide, again, to be aware of pitfalls and how everything could work against you. And lastly, urgent important. So that's another guide. This is the Eisenhower matrix. Let me just go to the overview. 3-pager. So many people have heard of it, so I haven't gone into it extensively, but you've got some examples there of how you can prioritize urgent and important. You've got your explanation at the beginning and identifying what's urgent and important, some best practices and things at the end over there. And of course, these guides are to work with the templates. So all the white ones are the templates. Now on the Paper Pro, this will appear, it's actually a cream color. So you will see the color version of it. We have the black and white here on the reMarkable too. So you've got, they're all portrait, except there is one landscape template, which is the delegation tracker. And it will automatically bring up in landscape mode, right? And you know the way you can still get out of a landscape document that way as well. So that's good. Let me just put that down properly. All right, so then you've got your urgent important matrix, and there's another one. There's a second page in that. I didn't split them up, but you could definitely split them up because there's the two. Let me just show you. There's the color one, and then there's plain black and white. I prefer the plain black and white, but everybody's different. The goal alignment matrix, the one big thing, that's really cool. I use that a lot. When I've got so much on and I just need to focus, the one big thing is great. Because it just helps me go, okay, if this is the only thing I get done today, it's still going to be a productive day if I can get this done. So sorry, I'm still trying to work out where the camera is. Time block planning. I've been time blocking for years. I love time blocking. It's my favorite way to do my calendar, my schedule. And I tweak it and edit it depending on the season of life I'm in, depending on what I've got going on, what my work commitments are, family commitments. I change my time blocks around. I even time block my days. It works so well. I absolutely love it. And there's a weekly goals planner, which is a planner page for the week. So I like a week at a view. For those that like a week at a view, this is a weekly week at a view. Obviously, we have daily views and we've got all sorts of planners in the vault, so there's lots. But this one was appropriate to put in here. We've got the goals matrix and it's your productivity category. So there's specialized productivity templates in there. So I just wanted to show you what they look like on the reMarkable. Okay, bye. And this is what it looks like in your desktop app. You will see there you've got the Vault Productivity. So that's your productivity category. And they are all the guides, and these are the templates as PDFs. Remember, you can sideload them as PNGs. We give you that file, and you can also, if you need to edit or tweak something a little bit, you also get the Canva file so that all the work's done for you. You can just make the little change that you want to change. You can put your branding on it, your business name, all that sort of stuff. They're not for resale. They're for, for you to use in your business or personally. So yeah, that's what they look like in the desktop app. And on the Paper Pro, they will look like that as well because of the color. Awesome.